So some have asked how I made these waves, so I'm just going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to make those waves out of buttercream. So the first thing that I've done is mixed up a few dark colors of buttercream, just in different shades of blue, and one of them that I have is almost black, just to kind of give it a stormy look. And then I also have just regular white buttercream too. I won't need a whole lot of that, but I do have some of that. So I'm gonna do this on just this little cake here. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm just gonna eat this when I'm done. But just to kind of quickly show you how I did this. So it's really simple. I first of all froze the cake so that the crumbs didn't kind of pull off as I did it, because it is kind of hard on the cake. But I'm just taking those three colors and slathering them on randomly so they kind of mix, and I'm gonna get it on there pretty thick. So now that I have it all the way mixed around, I'm going to just kind of tap it with my spatula. And I'm actually using a butter knife here instead of a spatula because it's such a tiny cake that a spatula felt a little bit overbearing for it. But I'm just kind of tapping it here and there to get those waves. But now we've got our very stormy peaks going on, and then the next step is that I will put this in the freezer to get these peaks nice and firm. So I have my cake, and I'm just going to start using this white buttercream that's been thinned out a bit, scooping some up on my paintbrush. I'm just gonna go on the very edges of these waves and kind of tap some of that white on there. You will get some blue mixed in, especially if you were impatient and got it out of the freezer before it was really ready. But that's totally fine. What I was doing with that blue is just wiping it off on the side of my bowl and getting more white. So I'm